what is the point of life if not go out there and experience new things? It's like it's all waiting there for you, you know. It's like that Harry Styles song, Carla's song. I think that song really is a reason to be alive. Like it's all waiting there for you. It's all fucking waiting there for you to discover it, for you to come across, for you to be amazed in the most romantic, in the most amazing, in the most sublime way ever possible. So like there's always more reasons to be alive than there are to not be alive. You just have to be open to let it come to you, because once you like let go, once you're not holding on too tightly to these ideals, to yourself, to your beliefs, to your people, once you let go and once you let life just breathe life in you, you realize there's so much beauty in life. There's so much people, there's so many people, so many artworks, artists, so many songs, movies that are just waiting there so you can discover them, so you can see them and feel things you haven't felt ever. And that's the beauty of art, of making things, of creating, even just talking. Like, who the fuck knows? Maybe this, what I'm saying right here, I'm only saying this for one specific person. I know that for now that person is me. But maybe 5 years down the line, someone else sees this and they're like, man, she gets it. She's saying exactly what I am saying. She's saying exactly what I'm feeling. Like, and you know, they just get it. That's the point. That's the point of putting yourself out there. That's the point of creating whatever you want. That's the point of living. It's to experience things and then to reflect on them, and to just like put something out there so others can feel it too. Because as long as you feel it, all the happiness is only for your own. But once you start reflecting on it, once you start putting it out there, once you start recommending people to experience the same, once you start doing that, you're sharing that happiness. And what is happiness? It is only real when it is shared. And I know that because of this movie I saw, Into the Wild, and it blew my mind away. It changed my whole life in such an amazing way. It gave me a new perspective on human relationships and life and love and everything. And so that's the point. If I don't talk about it, someone out there might never know a movie like that exists. And you know, like, just experiences are so really romantic, amazing. And what are you gonna do if not romanticize life? There's only one life. You can't just live it thinking of practical things, of worldly things, of money, and how to be logical and rational and reasonable. Fuck that. Who cares about that? You have one life. Do the illogical thing. Do the thing that scares the hell out of you. Do the thing that sounds the most unreasonable, the most illogical, the most insane, the most freaky. Do that. Do that. And maybe people will call you a freak, but you will be happy. You will know something they don't. And you'll just be yourself. Oh, would you like to see my shoes? I have Harry Styles shoes. I think some people know it by now, but not a lot of you know. See, it says treat people with kindness, and I also have a TPWK tattoo here. That's so weird the way I'm showing it. It looks so not aesthetic, but I have a TPWK tattoo, and the shoes says TPWK too. Can you see it? Yeah. Well, the reason I keep showing this shoe is because soon I'm not gonna have it. They're like all worn out. I won't throw them away, of course, but I won't be able to wear them because they're dying. And that's the beauty of it. That's why I cherish it so much, because I know one day I won't be able to wear them. So I wear them and I feel so good. Oh my god, I'm wearing my Harry Styles shoe, and then I show it around and I just feel happy. So okay, bye. Love you, and see you